Hi friends, my name is Ananta. Welcome to Novotel Imagica Khopoli. I am taking care of nitro bar. Today I am going to make a signature cocktail of our nitro bar. Like first we will take the ice. Then I will add lemon juices. Then I will put sugar syrup. Then I will add cut cucumber. Then jalapeno and tequila. After that, I will rim the glasses with salt. Now I will shake the drinks. Now I will strain the drink. The garnish with cucumber and cherry. Zip Zap Zoom drink is ready. Enjoy the drink.